Hey everyone, this is Raina,
And this is Scott.
and we're here from Workato's product marketing team. April showers bring May flowers and May product updates. Stay tuned to learn what our product team has been working on this month.
This month, we've made several updates to make the lives of Workato account admins a lot easier. Let's start with the latest update to our NetSuite connector. The latest update ensures that custom field mappings are preserved when migrating NetSuite recipes between workspaces. Previously, when migrating recipes that contain NetSuite, we preserved the mappings to standard NetSuite fields, but custom field mappings were lost.
So does this update affect workspace admins?
Yes, this update saves admins time as they don't have to remap NetSuite custom fields after deploying to production. And it goes both ways. Fields mapped to NetSuite custom fields and NetSuite custom fields mapped to other downstream actions will be preserved. The NetSuite connector update also benefits recipe builders who switch between different NetSuite instances, use a pre-built template, or clone a recipe.
Will admins with existing NetSuite recipes need to change anything?
New recipes will auto-map all fields, and existing recipes with no changes to the NetSuite connector will continue to run as designed. Builders can go to our product blog to learn more about when they need to remap NetSuite custom fields. So Raina, I've been at Workato a while now, and I'm noticing that my inbox is starting to fill up with more error notifications as I'm running test jobs. Is there anything that I can do to manage these?
Yes, there is, and you're right. As you start to build more recipes, you'll see that you'll receive even more notifications for any jobs that run into issues. This becomes a problem when you're an admin and you're managing dozens of projects within a Workato workspace.
I see. With so many alerts entering my inbox, I probably missed some important job errors.
Yep, but now with folder-level notifications, Workato admins have the flexibility to select folders containing the recipes that they want to receive error notifications for, like recipes in production or key recipes in development. This gives users more control over their recipe building experience, and best of all, no more alert fatigue.
Got it. So to set this up, I navigate to Account Settings, Error Notifications, select the new Receive Error Notifications Only from Specific Folders option, and then select just the folders containing the critical recipes I want to receive error notifications from. Easy! Folders that are unchecked will not send error notifications for any recipe contained within it.
This is super easy to configure and should definitely help you clear up your inbox, Scott. And as I've been working on some demos these past few months, the number of Workato teams I've been added to has grown. I've heard that we've added a new feature to make managing team memberships easier, right?
Yep. The new Team Memberships tab in the Account Settings page allows everyone to manage their team memberships, including accepting team invitations and leaving teams.
Why would someone want to leave a team?
There are many different roles that need to join multiple workspaces. For example, Workato admins provide support across workspaces, operators monitor and manage operations, and experts set up templates and standardize functions. But as they change groups or move on to different projects, they often leave older workspaces and join new ones. We have built a simpler experience for collaborators to join new workspaces and offboard when they need to.
What was the process before this update?
Previously, they needed to send a request to the workspace admin to remove them, and now they're in charge. That wraps us up for this month's updates. Thanks for tuning in. You can find more information on our newly designed product hub at product.workato.com, along with past product updates, how-tos, and tutorials, and best practices.
Hope to see you all in the next one.